All right, so in today's episode of Prop Firm Drama, Apex Trader Funding is in the spotlight. Apex Trader Funding is being sued by one of its own ex-employees. Man, you cannot make this up. This is some juicy gossip, but it is true. There is a lawsuit. We got the court documents. We got all the documentation in terms of what this lawsuit is about. So let's hop right into it. This is the actual case. You got Leo Riot. Leo Riot is an ex-employee of Apex Trader Funding. He has a company called Quasar Spendthrift Trust. And this all evolves around the licensing for the use of the software that Apex Trader Funding uses on the back end for its API, for its automation. Apparently, Leo Riot designed that, patented that, and there was an agreement. There's actually an agreement between Apex Trader Funding and Quasar, Leo Riot, in terms of the use of that software. So if we take a look at the actual license agreement, it's right there and there. The interesting part, this is all about money. Leo Riot, owner of Quasar Spendthrift Trust, says that the original agreement between Quasar and Apex was that Apex would have to pay Leo and his company 33% of Apex net monthly profits. In other words, that's after payouts, that's after overhead, expenses, and all that. 33% of those profits would be owed to Leo Riot and this company called Quasar. Whether they've been making payments or not, I don't know, but there's a lawsuit now asking for payment on that. Now, the interesting part about this is how much Leo and Quasar are claiming Apex Trader Funding has in net profits on a monthly basis going back to August of 2024, July. So if you look at July 2024, in this court document, Apex had a net monthly profit of $13 million. Calculate 33% of that. Then if we go to August, that number is 17 million. Now, remember, if you go back to July and August 2024, this is when Apex started making payout denials, the video reviews, and apparently money was there. They just weren't paid. You cannot make this up, man. This is today's episode of Prop Firm Drama. Then we go into, let's say, September 2024. The net profit for Apex that month was $9 million. Then go to October, $15 million. So obviously this prop firm has figured out how to make serious income and just simply not pay. If you go back to all the denials and everything that happened in that summer of 2024. Now, what Leo and Quasar are claiming is, they need to get paid 33% of that net profit, net monthly profit, based on the agreement. So we'll see how all that plays out. I did do some research on Leo Riot. He is an ex-employee of Apex Trader Funding. He apparently designed the automation software that Apex uses on the back end. What it does, and not too clear. We hear the word API and automation. Anyways, that is what that software was used for, and Apex owes 33% of the net monthly profit to Leo Riot and Quasar. Interesting thing with that breakup, again, this is an ex-employee. We've also found out that Leo and a couple of other ex-employees of Apex have founded this company called daytraders.com. I mentioned this a couple of months ago in one of my videos. Well, now we know, daytraders.com is a very similar platform to Apex Trader Funding, very similar accounts. I actually did sign up today. I've had a chat where I was looking at their Discord today. So it all seems legit. Now, all we need to know is, are they going to make the payouts? I actually opened up two accounts, a 50K and a 150K today. So we'll see. I'll start using them, and who knows, depending on payouts, I'll start sharing affiliate codes and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is daytraders.com, and this is the breakaway firm or the spinoff from Apex with ex Apex Trader Funding employees. You cannot make this up. A lawsuit, like I said, we have all the documentation. It's there. This was filed, I believe, at the beginning of this year. Yep, January 6th, literally yesterday. So we'll see how it all plays out. But that's today's episode of Prop Firm Drama. For anybody new to my channel, my name is JC. I trade NASDAQ futures every single day, bringing my wins, my losses, my tilt days, my wins. And I also bring you some of the juicy prop firm drama that we are getting used to in this futures prop firm space. In this case, it's Apex. They are being sued. How does it affect us traders? Hit me up in the comments. Let me know your ideas if this will actually affect traders. If it's not, I see the positive side of this. It looks like the guy who actually designed the back end, or the architect of the back end of Apex Trader Funding, has now launched his own company. So hopefully there is good to that. And, we're going to see a new prop firm offering similar programs or accounts like Apex Trader Funding. Listen, up until what is it, August, September, when Apex Trader Funding stopped payouts, I had 20 accounts, 20 performance accounts. I got paid on 20 performance accounts. I was riding that Apex wave until things derailed and they started asking for video reviews. It took a while for them to finally approve me afterwards. I still trade on Apex, not all my 20 accounts as the past. Who knows? I'll continue to get payouts and slowly add an account. A lot of question marks around Apex. I don't affiliate with them. I don't promote them, but I am trading them, hopefully with daytraders.com. And now that the architect on the back end from Apex Trader Funding has opened his own company, I think it's only good for us traders in terms of more competition, more options. I've been talking since mid last year: diversify, diversify, diversify. Use multiple prop firms. I'm on Rhythmic. I'm on Tradeovate. I use Apex, TopStep, Tradeify. Who else do I use? Take Profit Trader. I'm experimenting with all of them. I also want to add some more straight to funded accounts or instant funded accounts, with some accounts with some new prop firms as well. So listen, all of this only means we have more options as traders. How it's going to play out, I'm curious to hear how you think. Hit me up in the comments what you think about this lawsuit. What's going to happen to Apex, if anything? Is it going to affect payouts again? We shall see. But yeah, apparently they owe 33% of the net monthly profits to Leo. So we'll see how all that play out. That's it for today's episode of Prop Firm Drama. Hit me up in the comments. Smash that like, smash that subscribe button. If you like my content, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post content. And that is all I got for today.